Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today we're going to be doing a video about GameStop. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. So today we're going to be doing a video about GameStop. And the biggest question is, how long can GameStop actually continue this rally? Is GameStop stock going to crash? When is a good time to actually sell the stock? So as you guys have seen, GameStop has been getting a lot of heat recently. Like a lot of heat recently, right? So the company has been just doing absolutely amazing. If we go to the 3-month chart here, I mean, the stock is up over 2,000%. And a lot of people are wondering, when is GameStop gonna crash? Is the stock gonna continue going up forever? Now, if you guys want a little insight on the story, just to let you know, so GameStop as itself is a company that a lot of people did short. If you guys don't know what shorting actually means, shorting is when companies or people will basically sell a stock for a specific amount of premium and then pay back the shares later to the brokerage at a cheaper price. It usually works if you have a very bearish opinion about a stock. With GameStop stock, the company actually is the most shorted stock basically out of the New York Stock Exchange in itself. It had a 130% short float, which did cause a massive short squeeze when it caused people to cover. As you guys can see here, I mean, the stock almost hit $500. That's just absolutely insane. And it's definitely done a lot to the markets over the course of the last week or so. A lot of people are jumping into GameStop stock. There's a bunch of new investors who are coming in trying to buy GameStop because it's basically just fueled this huge rally. But how long can the rally actually continue? And is GameStop stock going to eventually crash? So how long can GameStop actually continue this rally? Well, nobody really knows. I mean, for me, I don't see it continuing forever, that's for sure. I don't think GameStop is going to stay at $317 a share, just due to the simple fact that the company in itself hasn't fundamentally changed that much to cause this much rally. Even in a best case scenario situation, it does not justify GameStop's actual price, but overall, a lot of people are definitely digging the price, and if you guys bought in early, congratulations, and I applaud everybody for their profits. Just be careful, because when GameStop stock, and if GameStop stock does crash, it's going to happen very, very quickly, also known as a flash crash. Essentially, when a lot of people start selling their positions out all at one time, it will definitely cause the stock to start tumbling. And a lot of people don't really know when that's going to happen, and even a lot of Wall Street analysts are saying that this isn't going to continue forever. Overall, do I think GameStop stock is going to eventually crash? I do. I actually do think GameStop stock is going to eventually crash. Now, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. Do I think that GameStop is worth $317.99 a share? No, I don't. I don't think the company is actually worth that much. Like I said, the company in itself hasn't really fundamentally changed. Yes, the company's had some good news, like Mr. Cohen putting 10% stake into GameStop, thinking it can rival Amazon, did give the shares a small boost from its $3 to $4 range. But overall, this all started just because a bunch of Reddit investors, also I believe it's the Wall Street Bets forum, basically wanted to make the short sellers pay. So they started buying up the stock, and it made the short sellers have to cover their positions, causing this huge rally. And a lot of people are wondering, is this legal? A lot of things have happened over the last couple of days, like Robinhood stopping trading on GameStop stock. Was that legal? Was that allowed? For the record, I'm not a lawyer, and like I said, I don't know anything. I don't actually think that's allowed. I don't actually think they could have actually stopped the trading, only due to the simple fact that the stock was just rallying so much to actually restrict trading. It's actually the first time I've ever seen this happening in my years of trading. I've never seen a stock actually being restricted from being bought, unless it was a T12 halt or the stock got delisted from the NASDAQ. But to actually just halt the trading for a whole day, it was just absolutely insane. And they did it on like 12 other stocks. I believe a few of them were like AMC, Nokia, American Airlines, and a bunch of other stocks as well. But to actually just go back into the GameStop situation, it's just overall, do I think that GameStop stock is going to eventually plummet, like eventually crash? I do. I don't know when that's going to happen. Who knows? Because GameStop crashing could probably crash the whole market. It could probably crash all the brokerages as well, because there's so much new users, so much new volume that GameStop has gone worldwide all over the news, and a lot of people are investing into it now, and it's making people wonder, a lot of people just know are probably going to lose money on the trade. I hope that's not one of you guys, but there's probably people who already bought the stock at $468, and I don't think it may ever see those prices again. Who knows? GameStop could actually go to $1,000. Overall, I just wanted to give my overall input on the overall situation. Where do I think GameStop is headed? Who knows? Like I said, GameStop probably still has room to run. Nobody really knows how far GameStop can actually go. But I just want every investor out there to be careful if you're holding GameStop shares, because it could end very badly if the stock actually decides to actually plummet in itself. But with that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of GameStop stock. Are you guys invested in GameStop stock? And if you are, how many shares do you guys own? Do you guys own any call contracts, put contracts? What is your overall opinion of the recent rally?